Welcome back to Shed Talk. Just a little video on, I want to show you something really neat bit of kit. So I'm replacing the exhaust system on the GSX-S1000 and obviously I'm getting rid of the cat. So the exhaust servo on the GSX-1000, there's an exhaust servo or exit valve in the exhaust header. So just to avoid any faults, FI lights or error codes sticking up on the dash, because the ECU will think something's wrong with the emissions and or the valve system when I remove the exhaust. So this neat bit of kit here, let's just search for Suzuki just to show you what I'm on about. It's about 54 quid this is, which is a lot cheaper than I thought it would be. What am I looking for? GSX. Come on. So you got the S1000, S1000 GT, GT Plus, GTA. Pretty sure mine is the GX. I think it's the GX. I have to check. Anyway, no, it's not the GX. It's the, it'll be that one. 2022. Right, here we go. There's lots of little bits of kit on this website. This is Healtech. Healtech Electronics. So there it is. The ES Eliminator. Some other little bits and bobs on here, which I'm not really sure. I haven't really looked into those, to be fair. So ES Eliminator, it's that one there. And come on. Load, you bitch. Why is that not loading? Come on. Anyway, it's that ES Eliminator there. So I want to show you how that plugs in. So why is that not coming up? Let's get that part number. ESES04. Yeah, so there it is. Healtech exhaust servo. It's not bad price at all, that. Simply what's that called? Yeah, anyway, so let's just click on one. Let's just have a look. Why don't they click? Come on, load. What the fuck? Yeah, 57 quid. Don't know what that other price there is about. But it's the ESE SA4. SA4 for the GSX. 57.99 including the VAT. Exhaust servo eliminator. So yeah, built-in microprocessor. So what it does, as I say, modern bikes have got the servo exit valve in the exhaust header. So what this does is when you remove the stock exhaust and valve, move the valve as well, the bike's ECU is expecting feedback from the servo, from the system, and if it doesn't see it, it'll throw up a fault, like an FI light or error code on the dash. Obviously the ECU thinks there's something wrong with the emissions or the valve system. So the Servo Eliminator basically replaces or bypasses the stock servo system, like electrically. It just tricks the ECU into thinking that like the valve is present. It just operates as normal basically, and it saves weight and space as well, because it removes the servo motor is quite bulky, and the linkage and sort of like the associated wiring, roughly about 1 kilogram, I think. But the exhaust system then it's just plug and play. But what it doesn't do is increase power on its own or change any fuel mapping or exhaust flow or anything like that. It doesn't open any like mechanical valves, because once you remove the physical valve, there's nothing like left to actuate. But you need it because it just stops that error code throwing up basically, and running a fault. But for 57 quid, you know, it's really good. It's a good price. But in short, like, you know, it doesn't like make your bike louder or more powerful by itself. It just lets the bike's electronics sort of accept the new exhaust setup, basically. Obviously, if you know, like, for example, I still want to get my bike mapped and, you know, tuned properly for the exhaust system, so I'll do that as well. But I'm going to order this bit of kit. I'm going to take out the servo off the bike. I'm going to install the exhaust, install this, and we're going to have a look to see whether it throws up any error codes, basically. But yeah, just wanted to quickly tell you about that for those of you that don't maybe know about it. Healtech, really, really good website, and there's other bits of kit for every bike on there as well. Have a look, see what you think. I'm not like involved with them, or there's no like, I haven't got any discounts or anything like that, but I'll give Healtech a shout out when I do the video, and obviously Black Widow as well, because I'm fitting that Black Widow exhaust. So I'll get this all ordered, and then we can crack on with the video and give it a go. But yeah, thanks for watching, appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.